Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Cesar Dewusi, Tantolorun, Baba Oloyin kan, Baba Oloyin original. Now today, I want to tell you why spiritual wars disappoints you. Why spiritual wars sometimes disappoint or it fails to work for you. Get seated and hear from Osi's mouth. First of all, let me start with this one as usual. This is Baba Oloyin original. You know me. Original one is here. Yes. If they give you any spiritual powder, or they give you any spiritual soap, and you are told to use original honey. If you use fake honey, it will not work for you. Bear that one in mind. So don't forget, I'm the publisher of this book, Honey as a Medicine. Honey as a Medicine. Yes, this one is on a Bible. This is solution to woman problems. Solution to woman problems. This one started with Yoruba, but when you show forward, you will see. If you buy the hard copy, you will just open the pages. You will see it in the front. But if it is on WhatsApp, you collect it or Gmail, you scroll down, you see the English version in it, because this one was published in English and Yoruba, and this one is also in Yoruba and English language. And some people, they normally ask for the English version of it. So don't forget, I'm Baba Oloyin original. I'm living at Iyesota, Baba Oloyin bus stop, Iyesota. Yes, I can see some people now, they are now sharing. Don't forget to share, because this program, I expect 1 million views. I expect 1 million views within 1 month, because the thing you never hear, you will hear it today. I mentioned something like this in my Yoruba video, the video I posted in Yoruba before. But some people, they are now asking me, they didn't hear Yoruba. They didn't hear to at least post something like that again in English fashion, so that they can also share and enjoy with me like other people have been enjoying. You see, this is sponge, kankan, local sponge. If you are given spiritual soap to go and bath, you don't use this one, you are using this net, abi, you are using net one, it will not work. It will disappoint you. This is rope. They use rope to get this one. Yes, those people will tie you. Then they want you to, the person that gave you soap, they want you to be loose. They want that body to loose. Then you are using net sponge. It will not work. See, I deliberately start with this one. Sponge is one of the things that make your spiritual materials don't work for you. When you collect soap from herbalists, you collect soap from prophets, you collect soap from pastors, you collect soap from imam, you collect soap from afa, then you are given to go and bath, you begin to look for net. The net I've been using, I'm not used to this type of sponge, local sponge. The thing they give you will not work. Note that one. Yes, I decided to come on here because of this one today now. Then secondly, if you are given soap to bath, if you bath finish, then you are fond of this thing, shaking it like this to remove the water, all the glory, all the blessing, you are shaking it away. Get that one in mind. When you are given soap, you bath with it. When you bath with it, leave it in your sponge case. The water will come down by itself. Then you throw the water away next second day. Thirdly, some people when they give them soap, they put more than necessary. They put more than what they need on the sponge. And when they are unable to finish it, the second day when they want to bath, they will take another soap in the house, in the room, join it with the one they used yesterday, join it together. Say, I never finished my soap yesterday. I want to finish it today. You join the one, you go inside to bring the new one. And out of the one you get in the house, in the plastic or in the calabash, you join with the one on use of yesterday. The one you have in the house will not work for you again. I told you in my last video in Yoruba. Don't forget, as I'm saying again, the one in the house and in the room, then the unused one of yesterday that remain on this point. You bring you bring the fresh one to join the one of yesterday. The one you have in the room can be spoiled and cannot work for you again. I'm talking about this point, you. Yes. I think it is advisable to be using one sponge in a day. You want to bath today, use it. You bath. And it is not always advisable to use spiritual soap on Wednesday and Saturday. It's not good. You are hearing it today again. When you are giving soap to use, you say because market was done yesterday and you know the second day is Wednesday, then you want to bath with that spiritual soap. It's not good. It's not good to be using soap on Wednesday and Saturday. That's from me. Now, don't forget, I told you in my past video in Yoruba, now that people are complaining, they are sending messages that I should repeat it in English. If they do any gum medicine for you, juju, that when they shoot you, it will not hit you. And the thing happen to be egg. The juju they prepare the medicine with eggs. And you are warned not to share eggs with people. When you fry egg in the house, you share it among yourself. Baba, mama, that gum medicine is spoiled. Yes, it's spoiled. Once you are warned not to share eggs with people, and you are sharing eggs in the house, apart from that one, if you are drinking all this tea, I don't want to mention names, all this tea, you will see they write it eggs included among the ingredients they prepare that tea with. You are eating it and you are drinking that cup of tea. All the medicine they do for you for gunshot is spoiled because you have been warned not to share eggs with people. When you are drinking this type of tea, you are already sharing eggs with people. You are eating donuts. You are eating scotch egg. You are eating salad. That type of medicine will not work for you. You depend on it. Sometimes you hear that somebody was killed with come. You say, that man get the draw. How does it happen? Why you did that like that? And because he has gone against the rules and regulation of the traditional medicine. Yes. Some people, when women are on menstruation, you're supposed not to near them or have connection with them. But women on menstruation, you are meeting them, or you are at your own risk because all your juju will not work for you. All the medicine they do for you will not work again. There are some people, they do gum shot medicine for them, that even if they shoot your car, it won't enter the car. But it is the same car you are using to carry out loss. It is the same car you are using to arrange. You know how you usually arrange the car, the seat, car seat. You know how to arrange it. To do that, your fornication is bad. All the things they give you to put inside the car is spoiled. Is spoiled. Because of 5 minutes enjoyment, you are killing yourself. All the things some people keep in their body, they will still hold it in their body. They do that mess around. And when they die, they walk, they can't enjoy the fruits of their labor because of 5 minutes enjoyment. If you are fond of doing it from the back, yes, you know that thing resemble gum. If you are fond of meeting woman from the back, your gum medicine is spoiled. Yes, your car, your mouth can even cause you problem. There are some people, when they collect something, they never use it. They will be talking around. That Baba don't give me one medicine. That Mama don't give me one soap. You spoil it with your mouth. You spoil it with your mouth. I want to talk about changing of environment again. You know, changing of environment is also important, especially for those couples that are looking, especially those people looking for children. When you are in a house for 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, you need to change the environment. The environment can affect you. Then if you are doing it on the bed and doesn't work, you can change the system to be doing it on the floor. Because those who target you, they may say anytime they have connection on the bed, they should not produce children. Then when you change that system, it can work for you. Yes. You know, everybody know this one. This is orange. This is orange. Yes, this is the skin of the orange. We peel it from this one. Yes, this is the cover. This is the skin. It is not advisable. It is not advisable to be peeling it in the room where you have your spiritual products. It is not. Those who are selling palm wine, if you want to cut orange in their shop, they will hate you. They drag you as if they never met you before. See, those people selling palm wine, go and ask from people. If you begin to peel this wine in their shop, they will send you packing. Even if you are a regular customer, because they will take you serious they will take you as an idiot that don't know rules and regulation. You cannot peel orange in the place, in the shop where they are selling palm wine. The same thing where you get your spiritual material, you get spiritual juju or spiritual products. Yes, you get your armless. You begin to peel orange there. All these things will be condemned. And at the same time, people can use this one also. Yes, the cover of this orange, this is the skin. If you see those who know about it, they can use this for blessing. Because the orange, they normally stay in the bush. It is human being that we take cutlass to go and find it. Yes, Igbo losan wa, ọmọ aráyé ńlá náà lọ bá ni. The tree of the orange is always stay in the bush. It is human being that will labor themselves to go and find the orange. When you mix it, you dry it this one. You dry it, You mix it, you dry it, you powder it, mix it with honey, and one thing, with one thing, you dry it, you mix it with honey, you dry it, you put it in the sun to dry, then you powder it, mix it with honey and one or two things. Wherever you are, people will locate you. Your luck will find you. Your luck will shine. They will find you. Those who are being appointed as ministers, commissioner, some people they are not doing any political party, but people will find them. Don't forget, I'm the publisher of Honey as a Medicine. Honey as a Medicine. Yes, you can get this one on PDF. Yes, we can send it to you on your WhatsApp, Gmail, or email. When you call my number, I will tell you, you ask for account number, I give you your pay. Within 30 minutes or 1 hour, the thing will be on your phone. This is Agbara Ewusoyin. Healing is in Yoruba and English. It was first written in Yoruba. When you move forward, you open forward, and you see the English version of it. This is Agbara Ewusoyin, healing power of honey. I have also this video, Àṣírí Oyin, secret of honey. Then ìwòsàn tó wà nínú oyin. Yes, the healing power of honey is also here. Why you can know it, but only a few things are mentioned here. But in all my videos and my books, don't forget, I also mention how you can identify original honey. When they sell fake honey for you, you will know. By opening this book or video, you will know. Because honey is one of the things that can spoil your medicine. If you are giving any medicine, any powder medicine that you should go and put inside honey, if you use fake honey or adulterated honey, it will not work for you. Don't forget, I'm Baba Oloyin Original. My telephone number, you can see it under, is there. Don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends and relatives. It's very important. Share and inform other people that this man, this is what he said about how spiritual material face and disappoint people. Don't forget my telephone number 0054749455. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have not subscribed before, always subscribe to this channel, Baba Oloyin Original Television. Baba Oloyin Original Television. Yes, don't forget to subscribe and share to people. When you share this video to people on their WhatsApp, tell them to always open the channel by themselves. Baba Oloyin Original Television. Till next time when you will meet me or hear me again, yes, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Baba Oloyin Original Television. Then before I leave today, I must also thank those who are giving money. Those who are paying more than the amount required for the book. Some people are asking for the book. When I give them the price, they pay more than that. Some people are even giving me money. They don't pay anything. Just for appreciation. They said they appreciate what I'm doing for the people. They said they don't need it, but the way you are just giving free information to people, they like it. And God will help, protect, bless all of you in all your undertakings. I repeat, God will bless you. Àbòdìntómi àbòdìntódò, àìrídìí òkun àìrídìí ọ̀sà, àìrídìí ọmọ ní kédèkédé, bàbá yóò ní rídìí yín o. All of you that you are giving money, some people they are not Yoruba people, they are not, but they are giving me money. One Igbo man, when I started this online group, yes, when I started this, 3 Igbo people call me. They say, look, Baba, if we try this thing you are talking about, and it work, he said, surprise you. Speaking, I'm telling you now, sincerely, that these people, they have surprised me. Because Igbo people, as a local newspaper, they are sending messages. Some are even giving me money. And all these Edo people that were in Italy, Spain, Paris, well, see your hand, you. God bless you. I see them. Some of them, they are from Italy. They are from Edo, but they are staying in Italy. Some are staying in Spain. Some are staying in Germany. Some are staying in Canada. Yoruba people, I can't do without thanking you. So Yoruba people have bought my book right from the time when I used to advertise in Yoruba and English paper in Lagos. I thank all of you. I thank all of you. Those who have not bought our books, you can ask for it. Yes, we have different books on it. It's a matter of sending it to your WhatsApp. Then after the lockdown, we can send it to you. Those of you that were looking for it on the, you are looking for hard copy, we will send it to you. If anybody send book, you pay for books. If you are paying for yourself, let me know. If somebody is paying on your behalf, let me know. I am so. Somebody is paying on my behalf. And when we see the alert, we send the book to you without delay. Those who are on, those who want this hard copy, after the lockdown, we normally send through post office or courier service. It's only, I'm sorry, we cannot send only. We can't send only. We don't will be only. But I can send the book to you on your WhatsApp, email, or Gmail. And after the lockdown, if you want the book, we can send you as usual. We send through post office, then we send through courier services. So till next time when you will meet me again, I am Mr. Sesan Adewusi, Baba Oloyin Original. You can WhatsApp me. If you call me, my number doesn't go there. You send your messages on WhatsApp. I will reply you. Remain blessed.